get out and get out as often as you can. Hajde Florence, nećemo im smetati. Idemo drugim putem. This morning I woke up 6 o'clock, and during the night I did one of those deep relaxing sessions where you basically let your body become fluid. And this time I used the Gateway Experience by Monroe Institute, just to have some tools to help out this time. And there's a difference between sleeping and resting. Basically, sleeping is something we do and everybody knows how a good night's sleep is and all that, but deep relaxing sessions is something where you really let every cell become numb, where only your mind floats above the vague ocean your body becomes, and that is something that really boosts the energy. It sort of resets the body. It's like cleaning up the house. You have to do that from time to time, and and this last week, I was about to say days, but this last week has been really bad. I mean, weather-wise. So it's been really cloudy and rainy and all that. So this morning, 6 o'clock, I saw light through the window, and at 8 o'clock we were already heading out towards, well, this is Halland. It's on the west coast of Sweden, and we're sort of roaming around the area, just wandering around, having something to eat, something to drink, enjoying nature, and letting the day become what it becomes. The days are so long now. The Nordic nights are already here. We're just about 1 month away from the summer solstice, and dandelion wine. Yeah, that song by Go and Ring, Dandelion Wine. But anyway, I just want to mention that about the deep relaxing state, which can be done by various forms of methods. I mean, everybody has their own, but there is a general way of, like focusing on every part of the body, relaxing it. And those tapes by the Gateway Experience, Monroe Institute, which are guided, basically guided meditation in a sense, with help of the binaural beats. It's really a good tool, and using tools is nothing bad. We use tools to transport ourselves, to eat and all that, so tools for relaxing is a very good thing, and it also makes you very clear. And that's something I learned from you also, because when you relax so deeply, so effortlessly. And when babies are newborn and they're just so small, you like have a peekaboo, or you're still breathing. And another thing also, like her body positions when she sleeps, I try them out when I was doing my regular sleep, and it was really comfortable and really, because babies, just their body has no nonsense. So there are like various positions a baby sleeps in, and it's fun to try them out. So that's that. And the funny thing is, because we are moving, so I'm sleeping on 2 yoga mats in the kitchen. And for me it works. I like hard beds. If I didn't have a family, or I just had my room and slept there all the time, I'll be sleeping on the floor. Yeah, let's continue with this wonderful nature walk. Hajde Florence, idemo dalje.